Before tanks, before drones, before the thunder of gunpowder, terror sometimes arrived on four legs. Through the clash of swords, through the cries of the dying, a shadow darted across the battlefield. Muscular, silent, unstoppable. It was not a man, not a horse. It was Rome's forgotten weapon, the Canis Pugnax. This was no camp pet, no loyal shepherd dog. This was a beast carved by centuries of blood and fire, obedient to the legion, merciless to its enemies. A living blade of muscle and fang. Its name has faded from most history books, but to the legionaries who fought beside it, the Canis Pugnax was brother, guardian, executioner. Its bloodline ran deep into the mountains of Epirus, where the Greeks raised the legendary Molossian hounds. Aristotle praised their power. Virgil called them monsters fit to tear the throat from a lion. The Romans saw them and saw potential, a diamond in the rough. They imported them, crossed them with barbarian war dogs, and forged something new, something darker. Imagine a black-furred hound, 60 centimeters tall, 50 kilos of muscle. Its bark, a growl from the underworld, trained to attack on command, to ignore pain, to recognize friend from foe. They marched with the legions, 35 kilometers a day, burdened with food or messages strapped to their backs. At night, they stood sentry while men slept, eyes glowing in the firelight. In Germania, in Dacia, in Britannia, they fought as soldiers, charging enemy lines, breaking ambushes in forests, guarding camps against raiders. On Marcus Aurelius's column, they appear, not as symbols, but as comrades, weapons of precision in Rome's endless war machine. And yet, to the men, they were more than weapons. Soldiers wrote of them as companions. Some were buried with them, some retired with them. In a world where men treated slaves as tools, the Canis Pugnax was given respect. It was loyalty made flesh. But empires change. Battles evolve. Siege engines replaced teeth. Crossbows replaced claws. And slowly the breed dissolved into memory. It did not die. It became legend. Even today, the cane Corso and Neapolitan Mastiff carry fragments of that Roman blood. A faint echo of the canine gladiators of Caesar's time. Before tanks, before drones, there were shadows with teeth, and they were Rome's fiercest weapon. If this forgotten legionary moved you, honor it with a like, subscribe for more, and share this story with a fellow lover of history. And as always, may history never be forgotten.